Let's begin by delving into the process of installing Docker Compose. Docker Compose simplifies the management of multi-container Docker applications, and this guide will walk you through the installation process across various platforms. We will provide a multi-platform installation guide. Docker Compose is a powerful tool for defining and running multi-container Docker applications. It utilizes a YAML file to configure your application services. With Docker Compose, you can orchestrate multiple services using a single command, making it incredibly efficient for managing complex applications. Before installing Docker Compose, there are a couple of prerequisites to keep in mind. Firstly, the Docker engine must be installed and running on your system. Secondly, you'll need administrator or super user privileges to perform the installation. Make sure these prerequisites are met before proceeding. There are primarily two methods for installing Docker Compose. The first method involves using Docker Desktop, which conveniently includes Docker Compose by default. Alternatively, you can opt for a standalone installation, where you install Docker Compose separately. Let's explore these methods further. To install Docker Compose on Linux, follow these steps. Open your terminal and use the curl command to download the Docker Compose binary from the GitHub releases page. After that, apply execute permissions to the binary so that it can be executed. For Windows, you have a couple of options to install Docker Compose. You can install Docker Desktop, which includes Docker Compose. Alternatively, you can perform a manual install by downloading the binary from GitHub releases and adding it to your system's path. On macOS, you can install Docker Compose using Docker Desktop, which includes Docker Compose by default. Alternatively, you can use Homebrew, a popular package manager for macOS, and simply run the command brew install Docker Compose. To ensure that Docker Compose has been successfully installed, you can verify the installation by checking the Docker Compose version. Open your terminal and run the command docker compose version. This will display the installed version of Docker Compose, confirming that it is ready for use. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.